What's the best way for you to cut back spray foam insulation? Let's talk about it. Welcome to Foam University. Today we're going to be talking about the best ways to cut spray foam insulation. Before we get into this, please, I need you to go below and make that thumbs up button blue. It really helps out the channel. So the first thing we're going to look at are a few simple options that you probably have laying around your house or your garage. The first thing is a handsaw, and yes, it could be any type of handsaw, any type of wood saw laying around. It may not be the cleanest cuts, but it can definitely get the job done in a pinch. The next thing you might have laying around your house, a bread knife. Go to your kitchen. If you have a bread knife and you have a small area you need to cut back with foam, that will absolutely get the job done in a pinch. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the most common tool that you will find on any spray foam rig, and that is a specially designed handsaw. Essentially what this looks like is a really big bread knife. These specially designed ones, the blade is really sturdy, it's much thicker, it's stronger, but if we look at what makes this tool so effective, it's because the serrations are really short and really close together. That allows it to cut through the foam really efficiently and cleanly, leaving a good look behind it. So again, this is a tool you will find on every single spray foam rig out there on the road. So the last thing we're going to talk about is the really high-end, specific made power tools. This is the baller option for you professional contractors out there that want to step up to something a little faster and you don't mind spending the bucks to do so. These are power tools, again, specifically made. We're talking about tools that might look like a reciprocating saw with a very specialized chuck and a very specialized blade. You could also have a CI cutter that has a cylindrical grinder-like blade that can run up studs and cut spray foam back. You might also actually have like an angle grinder with special attachments on it. But again, these options are typically going to be pretty costly and not common. You will often have to special order or even have some of this stuff made. But if you are a professional spray foamer, if you got a rig out there and you're getting going, your business is growing and you want to step up, you want to make things a little bit smoother, a little bit faster, these are some options that are good for you to step up into that next baller option for cutting off spray foam. So if you want to learn more about the best ways to cut back spray foam insulation, check out the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell to see all of our notifications.